Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy CORE DAO on Metamask. So what you're going to do is simple, open up your Metamask and then click on this fourth option, which represents the browser option. Now this is the fourth option, the browser option. Once on that browser option, in the web browser over here, come and search for chainlist.org. Okay, chainlist.org, as you can see it. Okay, so once you search for it, you'll be popped up to this page over here, or you'll be taken to this page over here, which looks like this. Okay, so I'll go back here. As you can see, this is the icon for chainlist.org. So once on this chainlist.org, just come to the search bar over here, then search for CORE. So once you search for CORE, you see the CORE blockchain main network. So click on Connect Wallet option and then click on Connect Wallet or give it permission to connect wallet. So right now click on Confirm, and then when you click on Confirm, you click on Switch Network. So once you click on Switch Network, you'll have switched from the Ethereum main network to CORE blockchain network. So coming back at the homepage over here, you see that I'm in the CORE blockchain main network over here, as you can see by default over here. And you see in my token list, I'll be having CORE DAO. So how to buy this? Click on this, and then as you can see, for right now you only have one option of receiving and sending. So this means to get CORE at the moment you can't buy it, but if you want to receive it, you have to buy it from another platform and then you send it onto your Metamask. So this means you can't buy it from Metamask directly. What you have to do is simple, click on receive and then copy this address and then go to any exchange of your choice, for example Binance, and then send that CORE from Binance to your Metamask. Alright, so guys, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.